Item number 1 and 2. Item number 1 and 2.
Papers.
My apologies, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, if lordship may kindly recollect, these are the connected matters in which a learned single judge by common order, common judgment has disposed of 15 cases. So these are the connected, the other remaining application which we have filed, my lord. Today, my lord.
Please regain your breath. Sit down.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, this is an application for condonation.
What is the period of delay?
My lord, this will be 170 days. 170.
You have not served.
My lord, notice will be issued. My lord will take steps upon the respondents.
When are the other connected appeals?
Now, the main matter is coming on, the lead matter which we have filed, it's coming on the 5th of February, my lord.
But why have you preferred this appeal so late?
My lord, there has been,
Then the lead matter also has to be adjourned to accommodate these matters.
my lord. My lord, one reason was that it has to go through the legal department has to, sanctions were also required, my lord, for
No,
the
but they
appeal.
have sanctioned, they have approved one appeal.
My lord,
Then the other appeals should have followed.
yes, my lord.
What further sanction is required?
My lord, there has been difficulty within the department. My apologies to that, my lord. We have, in fact, my lord, we have actually from our portion, we were ready with the appeal, but there were some changes of officers, so departmental difficulty were there, my lord.
The same point involved in all.
My lord, all our grounds are all the same, my lord.
Where does the respondent reside?
My lord, the respondents are residing in different parts of the district of the state, my lord. In fact, some of them are also out of the state. In Assam also, my lord. Garo Hills, West Gente Hills, my lord, West Khasi Hills.
The other appeal is ready for hearing.
My lord, in that matter, lordship has issued notice, and we are in the process of taking steps, service of notice upon the respondents, my lord.
There are also condonation of delay.
My lord, we are still in the state of condonation of delay.
So 5th of February it is coming for, the section 5 is coming on.
My lord, section 5, we are still at the stage of section 5, my lord.
You are appearing in the main matter.
My lord, yes, it is a state appeal, my lord.
What is the number?
My lord, it will be my lord, MCWA number 78 of 2024.
The main matter.
My lord, that is the first case which we have filed in this particular case, my lord. The main matter.
That will also appear after service.
My lord, this is the main case in which we are putting our reliance, my lord, which is coming up on the 5th of February, my lord.
For condonation of delay.
My lord, condonation of delay.
You noted that number. Delay is how much?
My lord, this will be 170. 170.
In each appeal. Each.
These two appeals before lordship today, my lord. Item number 1 and 2, my lord.
All right. This is an application for condonation of delay in connection with an appeal. Full stop. The delay in filing each appeal is about 170 days. Paragraph. if the delay is condoned, these appeals would be connected with the main appeal. Give the number. Which is scheduled to be listed on 5th February. Full stop. There is also similar delay in filing the main appeal on 5th February 2025. The condonation of delay application in connection with the main appeal is scheduled to be listed. Paragraph. Let the condonation of delay applications in each of these two present appeals by 12th February, you'll be able to serve?
My lord, on his submission, my lord, the only thing is that in this entire 15 cases, we are having respondents amounting to more than 100. So, my lord, there will be difficulty, but then we are getting in touch with the councils if they are willing to accept, since they have appeared before the single judge, that there will be no much further delay. However, my lord, if not,
On
still we have to
19th
take.
February.
My lord, I'm grateful.
The returnable date of the condonation of delay application in the above main appeal is also rescheduled to 19th February. Next, advocate on record for the appellant shall inform all parties
My lord.
in the main and corrected appeals of the gist of this order.
My lord.
What do I say? The returnable on 19th? What? No, you read the whole sentence.
Returnable day of the condemnation application in the main appeal.
Not also. Before that,
The condemnation of the application in each of these two present appeals on 19th. Returnable day of condemnation.
no. Please read it again.
That condemnation of the application in each of these two present appeals on 19th February 2025.
Puts up an affidavit of service or service report is to be filed.
Madam. 1 and 2, madam.
Hmm?
1 and 2 of the list. 1 and 2 of the list, my lord.
Common order.
Item number 3.
Yes, please.
Yes, my
My
lord.
lord,
There was a request by the counsel for the
my lord.
petitioner.
My lord, the counsel is from Guwahati, my lord. My lord, I've been instructed to seek some adjournment, my lord, for this matter, my lord. I'm praying if this matter will be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
For the appellant,
For the petitioner, my lord. This is a writ petition, my lord.
read it. Learned Advocate General,
Yes, Lordship, there was a request, some personal difficulty, so I received telephonic.
adjournment is prayed for on behalf of Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Learned Advocate General, on personal ground, full stop. Learned Advocate General does not object to it. Full stop. Accordingly, when
After 2 weeks, ma'am.
this application is fixed for hearing on 12th February.
Well,
Right.
item number 4.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, on the earlier round, my Lord, on 22nd 10/2024, my Lord, the plea of the my Lord, respondent my Lord, challenging the maintainability of this writ petition was, my Lord, rejected by this honorable court. My Lord, that order has been, my Lord, an SLP has been preferred as against that order, my Lord, by the respondent. My Lord, and a diary number has been generated, my Lord. Since, my Lord, the SLP, which is likely to come up before the Supreme Court, my Lord, has a direct bearing on the my Lord, outcome of this appeal, my Lord, I am praying that this matter may kindly be deferred for about 6 weeks, my Lord, because this matter.
When was it filed?
My Lord, it was filed on 16th of January, my Lord, and the diary number has been generated as, my Lord, 2992 of 2025.
From November it is pending.
No, my Lord, it was filed in the month of January. My Lord, it is only the diary number has been generated so far. The matter is yet to be listed, my Lord. Since, my Lord, if the appeal, my Lord, if the SLP is allowed, my Lord, this appeal will go. So it has a direct bearing on the present appeal, my lord.
The Customs Tribunal
Correct.
has ordered release of the goods to you.
Yes, my lord.
Where are the goods now?
It's in their possession, my lord.
Is there any interim order in this appeal?
There's no interim order. My lord, we have prayed for interim order, but then, my lord, this matter is yet to be listed. Only diary number has been generated so far, my lord. The SLP number has not been numbered.
Your Lordship, I pray if this matter may be taken after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. In that case, Your Lordship.
You expedite the matter before the Supreme Court.
Your Lordship, I just got to know, Your Lordship, that they have filed an SLP in this matter, Your Lordship. We'll say instruction from the department regarding that, Your Lordship.
Special petition was filed when?
16th of January, my lord.
From an order made on 22nd October.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Janet for a month? But in the meantime, the goods are to be returned by the should be released. At the time of admission of this customs appeal, the point of maintainability was taken by learned counsel for the respondents. Full stop. It was submitted that the value of the appeal was less than the threshold prescribed by the central government. Threshold value prescribed by the central government only above which an appeal could be filed by it. It was argued on the maintainability point only. Full stop. By our order dated 22nd October 2024, we rejected this plea. Next. After about 3 months, on 16 January 2025, the respondents have preferred a special leave petition for the Supreme Court. You give the number.
My lord,
We give it to, yeah. Which according to learned counsel for the respondents has not yet been listed before that court. Learned counsel for the appellant, Commissioner of Customs, has no instructions to confirm this statement. Paragraph relying on the submission made by learned counsel for the respondents, we adjourn this appeal till 27th February 25. Next, until further orders, the appellant, Commissioner of Customs bracket preventive, is to retain the confiscated goods and not part with its possession. We have said the list on 27th February. 27th February.
Item number 5.
Yes,
Lordship, the appellant counsel is not here, my lord. Mr. A. is Hazarika. I am for the private respondents, my lord. Private respondent number 5.
is at what stage?
Not hearing, my lord.
Ready for hearing?
I'm ready, my lord, but they are. Counsel.
You're for the council.
Yes, no, my lord. I'm for the private respondent, my lord. 5. I've been appointed as the Gaungura of Koladigli, my lord, village. And 2 order was passed by the district council, West Garo Hills, Tura. And this 2 orders has been challenged before
Your name is S.K. Hassan.
my lord, yes, my lord.
Only Mr. S.K. Hassan, learned advocate appearing for the private respondent, is present in court. Next, none appears for the other parties. Full stop. The appeal is ready for hearing.
My lord, yes.
List the appeal once more on 10th February. Next, we make it clear that if on that day the other parties are not represented, the appeal would be heard out ex parte. Advocate on record for the private respondent is to communicate this order to the other parties.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Put it now. There's too many matters on the table. When have I kept this matter? February. Keep it on 13th. Thursday.
Obliged.
Item number 1 and 2.
Lordship, in 1 and 2, Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation today, Lordship. The counsel is from Guwahati, he cannot travel today, Lordship.
Sorry?
The counsel appearing for the respondent cannot travel today, Lordship. He's from Guwahati because of some personal difficulties. Lordship, I pray that if this matter can come up on 17 February, Lordship.
There is a condonation of delay application.
No, Lordship, the delay was
Delay has
condoned.
been condoned.
It's condoned, Lordship. The appeal is on board now, Lordship.
What is the appeal about?
My lord, this is an appeal filed by the University, Your Lordships. This is with regard to entitlement of 3 financial upgradation of the respondent. So, my lord, we have, in fact, the university has disbursed all the 3 financial upgradation. However, the learned single judge, my lord, has held otherwise. The second financial upgradation was not given. But in fact, my lord, on records I have brought, the second financial upgradation was also granted. And he has already retired, if I am not wrong. He's already. Anyway, Lordships, my lord, Lordship, it may.
We have to hear out the appeal.
Lordship. Lordship,
So let us admit the appeal and hear it out.
Lordship, Lordship.
For that, learned counsel for Guwahati is not needed.
Lordship,
Let him come at the time of hearing.
Lordship, yes, Lordship, the appeal may be admitted and hearing may be, the matter may be fixed for hearing, Lordship.
Yes, but in the meantime, don't take steps in contempt.
Lordship will not pursue. The appeal may be admitted, Lordship.
This is an appeal from a judgment and order of a learned single judge in the exercise of his writ jurisdiction. Full stop. We formally admit the appeal. Next. As the respondent is represented in court, we dispense with all formalities and propose to hear out the appeal expeditiously. Advocate on record for the appellants shall prepare an informal paper book. But by when you can file?
My lord, I'm for the appellate Lordships. I can file by 17th.
And file the same in this court. Can you file it by 14th? Then it can be heard. By 14th February, serving a copy thereof on the advocate on record for the respondents, at least four days before the hearing of the appeal. Or we will keep it, it might be too short a time to file a paper book. We will keep it on the 20th. Will it be all right?
For filing of paper book?
No. For your learned counsel from Guwahati?
I'm praying if it can be fixed on 24th, Lordship, Monday.
All right, 24th. Then 24th, serving a copy at least 5 days before hearing of the appeal. और अपना चलो शुरू से बोलो। 26th?
26,
Wednesday.
26, Lordship.
26th. At a time to be indicated in advance. In the website of the court. As we are not passing an interim order, comma, no, you cut that out. Learned counsel for the respondent assures the court that till the appeal is heard out, his client will not take any steps for enforcement of the impugned order or any step in contempt.
Lordship.
Similar orders.
Similar, similar.
1 and 2, Lordship.
Item number 3.
Obliged.
My lord, I'm praying for some accommodation in this matter, my lord. It's fixed for admission, my lord.
Sorry?
It's fixed for admission, my lord. I'm led by Mr. Paul, Senior Counsel Mr. Paul, my lord. So he's not available today, my lord, due to some personal difficulty. So I'm praying if this matter can be taken up after a week, my lord.
You know, what is the order of which
Whereas we have challenged the order passed by the other single judge, my lord.
What
This
is
is a
that?
dispute with regard to a Nokma, my lord.
with
Aking
regard
land.
to?
Nokmaship of an Aking land, my lord. In Garo Hills, my lord.
You come near the mic, we cannot hear you.
It's a dispute regarding the Nokmaship of an Aking land, my lord, in Garo Hills, my lord.
What order the learned single judge has passed?
My lord, the judgment is at page 248, my lord, of my appeal, my lord.
248.
248, my lord.
248.
248.
You don't want respondent number 4 as the joint NOCMA.
My lord, that's the dispute, my lord.
He is already operating as a joint NOCMA now.
My lord.
Lordship. Lordship,
We will hear out the appeal.
My lord.
There is no scope of any interim order.
No, my lord. At this stage, there's no.
Same order as the rest. In the other one, you put the date of the order. This is 4th October 2024. Impugned order, judgment in order. That has been posted 26th February. The 5th March, what is it? No, when next version? 5th March. After you file your paper book, it will appear on 5th March.
My lord.
Lordship, in this matter, I only appear for the respondent number 4, Lordship. I'm only appearing for the respondent number 4, Lordship. The respondent 1 and 3 is the district council, Lordship.
We have already supplied the copy, my lord. We'll inform.
All right. As the respondent number 4 is represented by learned counsel, no, that paragraph you delete. Dispensing with all formalities and all that. Except you just add, except respondent number 4, the other respondents.
1, 2, and 3.
So numbers 1, 2, and 3 are not represented. Copies of the paper book as directed hereunder shall be served by the advocate on record for the appellant on each of the respondents or their advocates on record.
The previous one will not be about the enforcement of the orders.
Right. And the last line will not be.
Complete.